This is the AI News Flash for April 30, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, Meta Platforms reported Q1 earnings and raised its 2026 AI capital spending forecast sharply to $125 to $145 billion, up from the prior $100 to $120 billion guidance, Yahoo Finance reported. Soaring memory chip prices and aggressive AI infrastructure expansion drive the upgrade. The upper bound represents roughly a 70% year-over-year increase, and Meta shares dropped sharply in extended trading as investors questioned the AI monetization timeline. CEO Mark Zuckerberg remains fully committed to the superintelligence lab vision, locking in prolonged free cash flow pressure combined with Microsoft, Alphabet, and Amazon. The four hyperscalers' 2026 AI spending now exceeds $700 billion, making AI ROI-proof the dominant market theme this quarter. Markets now sit between an AI rally continuation thesis and margin compression risk, with Meta's upward revision likely to reverberate through the remaining hyperscaler earnings. Next up, Microsoft topped Q3 estimates and reported that its AI business grew an extraordinary 123% year-over-year. Yahoo Finance reported, Azure AI services led the surge, validating the enterprise generative AI shift from pilot to production. Copilot, Azure OpenAI service, and enterprise agents form the revenue core of this acceleration. Capex pressure on operating cash flow remains intense, and Microsoft must simultaneously fund its post-OpenAI exclusive independent model development while supplying infrastructure to multiple AI labs, a costly dual-track strategy. The 123% AI growth, alongside Meta's spending hike, suggests AI infrastructure demand is real and durable rather than purely speculative, providing a critical data point for the broader investment debate. Story 3. Reuters reported that Google Cloud has pulled ahead in the big tech AI race, while combined 2026 AI capex among the four hyperscalers has swelled to roughly $700 billion. Google Cloud now leads in growth rate, outpacing Azure and AWS, powered by proprietary TPU silicon Gemini models and the agent-based platform. The Anthropic mega-commitment deal further reinforces its momentum. AWS counters with the OpenAI $50 billion partnership, Azure posts 123% AI growth, and Google Cloud holds top growth position. The three-way hyperscaler battle is now sharply defined, with most operating cash flow consumed by AI infrastructure investment. With three hyperscaler reports in hand, institutional investors enter a phase of quarterly scrutiny on AI infrastructure monetization timelines. Story 4, iCapital, the leading alternative investment platform for high-net-worth advisors, selected Anthropic as its next AI strategy partner. Wealth Management reported, iCapital manages over $780 billion in platform assets and plans to integrate cloud-powered AI assistants across advisor, family office, and institutional workflows. Due diligence, product research, report generation, and compliance checks are the core use cases. The deal lands shortly after Goldman Sachs banned Claude usage at its Hong Kong desk, highlighting an accelerating Anthropic enterprise penetration into wealth management, even amid pockets of regional resistance. Following LPL Financial and Edward Jones, this iCapital partnership symbolizes Anthropic's expanding enterprise revenue base and validates Claude's regulated industry positioning. Final story. Duke University researchers developed an AI model capable of detecting ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, in children as young as 5 years old, Axios reported. A traditional ADHD diagnosis typically waits until school age, missing critical early intervention windows. The Duke AI integrates behavioral data, cognitive test results, and family history to deliver high-accuracy preschool risk prediction. Widespread early screening could enable behavioral therapy, educational support, and environmental adjustment at a developmentally sensitive stage, with significant long-term impact on outcomes and educational trajectories. With over 115 FDA-cleared medical AI devices in the field, the role of AI is shifting from diagnostic assist to first-line screening, and pediatric developmental health joins the broader clinical AI deployment wave. That's all for this AI News Flash.